What's up, y'all? It's Key and I'm back with another video. If y'all want to see how I transform my friend's hair from this to this, y'all go ahead and keep watching. And keep in mind, it really helps me out when y'all watch the whole video, which is why I went ahead and started making my videos a lot shorter. And also like, comment, and subscribe. So as you can see, I am not in a salon here. My friend asked me to pull up on her and do her hair while I was in town because I went to Atlanta this past weekend. So guess what I did? I pulled up and I got my girl together. So all I'm doing right now, because she has a lot of excess hair, her locks need to be crocheted sometimes. Basically, her locks are really big, as you can see. Not really big, but they're pretty big. So sometimes a retwist isn't enough, and this time she wanted a retwist with crochet maintenance. So I'm going through and just going ahead and crocheting all that excess hair into the lock before I even do the retwist, y'all. And if you want to know exactly what I'm doing, I do have 2 or 3 videos, I believe, already posted that kind of explains how to use this crochet needle, which is a 0.75 millimeter needle. That is the one that works the best for me. Y'all can get one from my website, which is keyslocs.com. And I also sell the locking gel that I use as well on keyslocs.com. And I also sell lock extensions and human hair if anyone needs to repair their locks on keyslocs.com. All right, y'all, so a lot of this crochet maintenance has been sped up just because, like I said, I have other videos where you can learn exactly what I'm doing, as well as I'm not gonna have this video going real speed when I'm literally doing the same thing to every single lock. So I did slow this top part down in case you want to really see what I'm doing. First and foremost, with any locks, you want to comb the hair where it's supposed to be. Basically, you want to find your part, and then you'll know what hair needs to be where. And she kind of did have a middle part, so it wasn't really hard to find it. But sometimes with other locks, like even if you're just doing a retwist, it's really good to comb, you know, the hair in both directions like y'all saw me doing to help find the part. Y'all, I'm still new to this, not really true to this yet, so I'm not great with explaining, but I am learning and I am getting better with my voiceovers. But, you know, that's why I slowed this down. Just watch, you know, as well as listen, and hopefully you'll be able to follow along. So yeah, y'all go ahead and watch what I'm doing. I'm basically just sectioning off the locks, and you see all that extra frizzy hair that's about to get locked up with my crochet tool. And that way when I do the retwist, it won't look super frizzy, or you know, the retwist won't be that hard. Like, look at all that extra hair right there. You want to take your lock tool and you want to lock that into the lock. All right, so if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I just wanted to come and talk to y'all for a minute because this video was pretty repetitive. I'm really just showing you how to do crochet maintenance, and then the retwist is just a regular retwist. I'm just gonna part out her hair, twist it, and I'm gonna style it. But anyway, I just wanted to come and thank everybody for the continued support. It's so crazy. I was coming to y'all talking about, oh my God, on the road to 300 subscribers, on the road to 400 subscribers, and look at me now on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I'm like 20-something people away from having 1,700 subscribers. Like, that is insane to me. And I just got approved for monetization. I actually qualified a long time ago, and I'm a procrastinator, so I could have applied and been getting paid at least like 2 months ago. But yeah, who cares? I'm doing it now. And shout out to my homegirl in the back sleeping. She had a good nap, but girl, we were running off of like 3 hours of sleep. Like, I should have been over there taking a nap with her. And you know, y'all remember my friend. I don't know, did I shout her out in another video? I think I did. This is my homegirl, Her Braid Queen, on Instagram, and she actually has a YouTube now at Her Braid Queen. But anyway, y'all, I'm still doing the giveaway, $200 for 2 different subscribers once I hit 2,000. So y'all stay tuned, and y'all check out my social media at Keys Work on all social media. And this is the final look. She wanted 2 low ponytails with lock petals, and she wanted some twists hanging from the sides, and that's exactly what I gave her. Hashtag I understood the assignment. And color by her. I'm gonna go on and put her at name. So yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much.